Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are going to colorize our mandala designs. Alright, so open up your file and let's do it. First, let's enable the visibility of our border so we can see. Now, let's select our template layer, click on sub layer, and we're going to create a rectangle on top of this. It should be bigger than the triangle. Okay, so I'm gonna draw a right here. It should be bigger on the triangle. Let's add the color for that. Double click on this fill color. Let's add any color. Create. I will find this light red right here, and then I'm gonna drag beneath on this design of mandala. Next, let's select the template layer, so it will select all the elements, including the rectangle. Let's open up our Pathfinder and click on merge right there. Now it will fill on this portion right here. Let me zoom in right here. What will happen is it will fill on this area right here, so it will become a individual portion right now. Okay, right now it's actually on a group layer, so we're going to right click and group right there. Now it's individual, so we can delete this portion because we don't need this right there. And now we can select these colors individually. For example, this one, right? Let's select this red color, all this red color, light red color. Select one and then click on this area, this option bar, the select similar objects. It will select all this color. Alright. And now let's make first a new layer so we can separate these lines and this light red color. So you can see right here, it's a blue color. It means that this light red color is only selected. I'm gonna drag it right here on the new layer, just like that. Alright, now on this template, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rename it, name it lines. Alright, and now on our color layer, I'm gonna click on this visibility and then click on this draw layer right here. This color, this yellow right here, this light red color that we created using the rectangle, I'm gonna drag it on this draw copy. And of course, you know what's going to happen, right? It will replicate or duplicate on this whole document, on this whole mandala design. Alright, so take a look at closely. So I'm gonna click this right here, this color, light red color, and then drag it to our copy of a color, and then just like that. Alright, and now what if you don't see it, you can make it fill color. Select this draw copy, just uncheck this clipping mask, except that, hold your shift key, and then just add a color. Double click on this fill and then select the color. Alright, and now you have the color. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you color it, you know. And of course, it's only one segment. We need to expand it again and then merge it using the Pathfinder. So let's see what we have here. We can now turn off this visibility of this border right here, but actually I'm gonna put it right there so we can see it, the main template that we have. And now we can recolor this. Since this is individual, select one and then open our color picker right here, just like that, you know. Again, if you don't see any color, make sure you select on this circle right here to target all the elements, and then unselect the clipping mask by holding your shift and then alt. Alright, and then it will maybe what you're going to see, if it's there's no color right there, maybe just non-color. Alright, maybe non-color, but you can add the color by double clicking on this field, just like that. Alright, and then once you have this color, just select one and recolor it. So that's the beauty of the transform effect, that we can recolor really quick our designs. Alright, so I have a horrible this color right now, but you can of course find some palette on the internet. I'm just trying to fill out all the colors right here. Alright, so that's our mandala designs, and of course we're not yet done. We're going to expand this layer. Make sure you select all the elements right here by clicking on this circle to target all the elements inside of it. Go to object, expand appearance right there. Next, open your Pathfinder, click on merge, just like that. Now this one is individually elements right here. Of course it's a group, so you have to right click and ungroup right there. And now it's individual color that you can play with. Alright, now let's turn off the visibility of the border, and we are done, guys. So that's it. Basic mandala designs that you can play with. You can turn on the visibility of the lines if you prefer that, something like that. It's quite cool actually. Or we can change the color of that lines. Let's see if we can recolor it. I'm gonna make it lighter, the saturated red. Let's see what's gonna look like. Nah, maybe I'm gonna just leave it like off right there. So that's it. That's your mandala designs, and I hope to see some of your designs in the gallery of this section. And that's all. I hope you learned something, and see you in the next video.